D. We are in Milano. Welcome to another video. My name is Jose. Everyone calls me Pancho. And this weekend I'm gonna be showing you what are the best things, in my opinion, that you can do in Milano. So let me show you. Or prego. Okay, number one, take a free walking tour. Free walking tours are very popular in Europe. It's an easy way to explore a city and learn about the history. And here are some of the places that we visited during our free walking tour. Number 2. Visit the rooftop of Il Duomo. Il Duomo is the most famous site in Milan, so you definitely need to go, visit, take pictures, admire its beauty from the outside, but I highly recommend that you go to the top and walk on the rooftop. It will give you an entire different perspective. We bought the tickets the same day, but you can also buy them ahead of time online, and all the links for that will be on the description below. Number 3. Visit the Last Supper painting by Leonardo da Vinci. It was really difficult for us to get tickets online, so we decided to buy a private tour. It's more expensive than the actual tickets online, but it was the only way for us to visit the painting. And honestly, the tour was really helpful. We got a lot of good information about the painting that we didn't know about. So if you're also interested in doing the private tour, you can find all the details in the description below. Number 4. Visit Galeria Victor Emanuele in the morning. If you're in Milano, you're gonna walk through the Galeria one way or the other. But I guarantee you that if you wake up early, you're gonna appreciate and admire its beauty even more. Let me show you a comparison. Number 5. Have Apero in Navigli canals. Navigli canals are known for all the bars that you can have Apero in. There are many options, so just choose one and have some drinks. Lastly, I want to share places to eat. One thing I want to say though, if you're sitting down on a restaurant in Italy, you're gonna pay a fee for that. So it's better to get things to go. For example, if you're just getting an Apero Spritz, it is better to buy it to go than sitting down on a bar just to drink it. With that said, here are some of the places that we tried and that I highly recommend you trying as well. That's the end of the video. I hope it helps you when you visit Milano, and I'll see you on the next one.